Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The left side of the ester shows a cyclopropane ring directly bonded to AC is equal to O group. This is the acyl, acid, portion derived from cyclopropanecarboxylic acid. Its ester name contribution is cyclopropanecarboxylate. Moving on to the next step. The right side of the oxygen shows a CH2 group attached to a cyclobutane ring. This CH2 is a methylene bridge connecting oxygen to cyclobutane. The alcohol from which this derives is cyclobutylmethanol, cyclobutyl CH2O. In ester nomenclature, this fragment is named as the alkyl group cyclobutylmethyl. Moving on to the next step. In IUPAC ester nomenclature, the alkyl group from the alcohol comes first, followed by the name of the carboxylate. Combining cyclobutylmethyl plus cyclopropanecarboxylate gives cyclobutylmethyl cyclopropanecarboxylate. And for the final step, the structure is cyclopropane C is equal to OCH2C4H7 cyclobutyl, confirming the name. No other options are present to eliminate, but alternative incorrect names might confuse the acid and alcohol portions or misidentify the ring sizes. Therefore, the correct answer is cyclobutylmethyl cyclopropanecarboxylate. The correct answer is shown on screen.